Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this look, we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start off with the eyes first because it is a little bit more of a dramatic look. So here we go. I'm going to be jumping in with my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Primer. You guys know that I pretty much wear this in every single tutorial. Then I'm just setting it with this NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It powder. For eyeshadow palette, I am going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This came out a while back and I have just been dying to get my hands on it. I finally picked it up at Sephora. The colors are also very, very pretty. They're beautiful. They have something for everyone. You've got your purples and your browns and then your neutrals, and then all up here is kind of like transition shades. And then you have your pops of color here as well, the greens, the golden. So it's just very nicely laid out for you. And so I'm just going to jump right in. I don't know what I'm doing as of yet, but I want to do something that I don't normally do on my channel. I think I'm going to pick up Still Shot right here. Next, I'm just going to be picking up this shade right here. This is from the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. It's just basically the same tone as the Still Shot, but a little bit more vibrant because I really want the transition to pop. That's better. Next, I'm going to go in with this Peacock Blue Eye Pencil. This is from Rimmel. I'm not being too perfect with this because I just want like a rough color to be laid down just as a base. And then I'm just going to work on sort of blending out the edges just a little bit. This is a Real Techniques smudge brush. The next shade I'm going in with is Radio right here. This looks a bit messy right now, but we will fix that. I'm just cleaning up the edges. This is a clean brush with no extra product. Going in next with Big Sky. I'm picking it up on that same brush, guys, and I'm just going to take it in from the inner corner to the center. So I realized my camera cut off while I was filming my last little bit, so I'm just going to tell you what I used on the inner corners because that's all I can do. I ended up using this shade right here. I think this is called, what is this called? Stranded. So this is Stranded, it's like a peachy gold, and then I ended up using this bronze shade over here, which is called Smog. Where is it? There it is. Focus. There. Focus. There we go. So I ended up using the peachy gold first, Stranded, and then I ended up using Smog on top of that, so that's what gave me that really nice greenish antique gold sort of a look inside. In the inner corner portion, and I kind of blended it in with Big Sky, just went in a little bit with that just so that it's all cohesive and blended in nice. So we're gonna move on to my face now because I'm gonna come back and do the eyes, take a break from the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this Pixie Glow Mist first, just so that I get like a nice refreshing base on. I'll be going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Maybelline MasterCrome Color Corrector. You guys know this is also one of my favorite products to use for under eye correction. Now I have gotten a bit of a tan. I am about 2 to 3 shades darker than my normal skin tone. And so none of my foundations match me right now, so I had to go into Sephora and pick up something which is going to match me for the summertime. And I actually wanted something light enough but with a little bit of coverage. This is not a new product whatsoever, but it is new to me. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation infused with peach and sweet fig cream. And I'm gonna be applying 1 pump of this into my beauty dish. I really hope this is my right shade match, so it seemed to be fine in the store. It is a tad bit darker, but it'll do. I'm in the shade, this is Honey I picked up. Actually, once I blend it out, the shade is pretty good. It's not that bad. It's nice and light. So another new product I'm using today is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is new to me and pretty new to quite a few of you guys. I'm in the shade Warm Beige, or that's the one that I picked up. I've heard that this concealer has super high coverage, so I'm just only dotting. I'm not necessarily wanting too much coverage all at once. Wow, that's a lot of coverage. But I'm just gonna take my brush and sort of blend it in with the rest of my skin. I'm just taking my Midnight Banana powder over here. I'm actually gonna bake with this. I'm just gonna be using my Sephora Duo Bronzer in Honey Heat. I'm gonna take a break from the face and then I'm gonna go into the eyes. I'm picking up this NYX Tropical Green eyeliner, and I'm actually going to be tight lining and also applying this underneath the lash line. I'm going to be going in with this green shade right here. It's called Wanderlust, and I'm just going to be applying that to my gold green eyeliner. I'm basically just picking up that gold color, which is Smog. And I'm going to be applying it just from the inner to the center of my bottom lash line. I'm going to be going in with the shade Weekend again and use that as a brow bone highlight. For lashes, I'm using the Falsies Push Up Drama Lashes Mascara by Maybelline. I'm going to be using this blush from MAC. This is called Warm Souls. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using these two right here, mixing it together. These are both the Maybelline MasterCrome highlighters. This is the gold one, Molten Gold, and then there's Molten Rose Gold. So I'm just going to be mixing those two up and using them. For lips, I'm just going to be using the MAC Lip Liner in Strip Down and the Desi Katie Dose of Colors lipstick in More Creamer, Please. Just going to use a little bit of gloss to the center so that it's not so flat. I don't know, I feel really flat with these kind of nude lips. So this is in the shade Lychee from ColourPop. And this is the finished look, you guys. This video took so long to film. Everything that could go wrong went wrong, but I finally got through with it and I absolutely am living for this look. This is exactly what I had in mind. I don't think I've ever done like a peacock inspired eye on my YouTube channel, and this is what I've been wanting to do for a very long time because I actually really love peacocks. For those of you who don't know me, yeah, I am like obsessed with peacocks. I don't know what it is. They're just beautiful, the color scheme, everything. So that's it for this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and hope you have a great week. I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.